Show us how you walk. There you go. There you go. Look at you.
Let's not encourage this.
Good job. Look at you. Then we jump for the camera. Whee! Here we go. You gonna show us how it's done?
Back him up a little bit further.
He's like, get out of my way.
Further.
Further.
Yeah, let him get a little distance.
He's not gonna do. Ready?
Okay.
Go. Of course, we have an additional spectator. Not your turn.
See, you want the phone?
What's that? Come get it. Come get it. Oh, the belly flop. Try again. It's not picture time. You're supposed to crawl. Show us how you crawl. Come on. Come on. Your son's a goofball. What's so funny about that? Daisy will crawl. Come here, Daisy. Let's show them how it's done. Sit. Down. Crawl. Daisy, crawl. No.
High five.
High five. Okay, you can high five. Uh-oh, he's got your ear. Daisy, crawl. 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 No, not high five. We're failing on all ends here right now. Crawl. 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 Come on, crawl. There you go. Good girl. Go get it. That's how you crawl. Come on, dude, your turn. Your dog can do it.
Put the phone a little closer.
Hey.
But Daisy is the enticer. Oh, everyone's
coming. Where'd you sit? This way. Good. Mom says you're gonna do it. You gotta do it. Okay, come on. Look at the pretty colors. Come on. Okay.
Hey, if he's not doing it, we don't have to encourage it.
Oh, well, you told me he was gonna do it. So.
Oh, he was scooting in the other room, so I thought it's gonna happen any day now. And we're done.
We're done.